Let's remind. Repeated addition of the same number is called multiplication. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12, or 4 times 3 is equal to 12. 4 times 3 can be written as 4 into 3. We read 4 into 3 as 4 into 3 or 4 multiplied by 3. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. In this, 4 is called multiplicand. 3 is called multiplier. 12 is called product. Do these. Revision. 1. Answer the following. Reasoning proofs. 2. Fill and drill. Reasoning proofs. 3. Multiply. Reasoning proofs. 4. Multiply the following using the number line. Reasoning proofs. 5. Multiplication without carrying by one digit. Example 1. Multiply 342 by 2. Solution. Step 1. Arrange the numbers in the following way. Step 2. Multiply 2 ones by 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4 ones. Write 4 in ones place. Step 3. Multiply 4 tens by 2. 4 into 2 is equal to 8 tens. Write 8 in tens place. Step 4. Multiply 3 hundreds by 2. 3 into 2 is equal to 6 hundreds. Write 6 in hundreds place. Thus we get 342 into 2 is equal to 684. Verbal problem. Example 2. 242 roses are needed to make a garland. How many roses are needed to make 2 such garlands? Solution. Number of roses needed to make a garland. 242. Number of roses required to make 2 garlands. 242 into 2. Total number of roses required. 484. Do these. 1. 1. Multiply. Problem solving. 2. Solve the following problems. Problem solving. Multiplication by carrying by one digit. Example 1. Multiply 136 by 5. Solution. Step 1. Arrange the numbers in proper way. Step 2. Multiply 6 ones by 5. 6 into 5 is equal to 30 ones is equal to 3 tens plus 0 ones. Write 0 in ones place and carry 3 to tens column. Step 3. Multiply 3 tens by 5. 3 into 5 is equal to 15 tens. 15 tens plus 3 tens carried is equal to 18 tens is equal to 100 plus 8 tens. Write 8 in tens place and carry 100 to hundreds column. Step 4. Multiply 100 by 5. 1 into 5 is equal to 5 hundreds. 5 hundreds plus 100 carried is equal to 600. Write 6 in hundreds column. Thus, we get 136 into 5 is equal to 680. Alternative method. 1. 136 is equal to 100 plus 30 plus 6. So, 136 into 5 is equal to 100 plus 30 plus 6 into 5. 100 into 5 is equal to 500. 30 into 5 is equal to 150. 6 into 5 is equal to 30. 500 plus 150 plus 30 is equal to 680. 2. 136 is equal to 140 minus 4. So, 136 into 5 is equal to 140 minus 4 into 5. 140 into 5 is equal to 700. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. 700 minus 20 is equal to 680. Verbal problem. Example 2. There are 484 prisoners in a jail. How many prisoners are there in 4 such jails? Solution. Number of prisoners in a jail 484. Number of prisoners in 4 jails 484 into 4. Total number of prisoners 1936. Do these. 2. 1. Multiply. Problem solving. Two. Solve the following problems. Problem solving.
Multiplication by carrying by 2 digits. You have learnt multiplication by 1-digit number. Now, let's learn how to multiply by a 2-digit number.
Example 1. Multiply 56 by 38. Solution. Step 1. Arrange the numbers. Step 2. Multiply by ones. 56 into 8 ones is equal to 448 ones. Write 448. Step 3. Multiply by tens. 56 into 3 tens is equal to 168 tens is equal to 1680. Write 1680. Step 4. Add 448 and 1680. We get 448 plus 1680 is equal to 2128. Thus 56 into 38 is equal to 2128. Alternative method. 56 into 38. 50 plus 6 into 30 plus 8. 8 into 6 is equal to 48. 8 into 50 is equal to 400. 6 into 30 is equal to 180. 50 into 30 is equal to 1500. 48 plus 400 plus 180 plus 1500 is equal to 2128. 56 into 38 is equal to 2128. Verbal problem. Example 2. There are 12 pencils in one packet. A shopkeeper has 87 such packets in his shop. How many pencils does he have in his shop? Solution. Number of pencils in one packet 12. Number of packets in the shop 87. Total number of pencils 87 into 12 is equal to 1044. Do these 3. 1. Multiply. Problem solving. 2. Solve the following problems. Problem solving. Let's see the following examples. Example 1. Multiply 126 by 63. Solution. Step 1. Arrange the numbers. Step 2. Multiply 126 by 3 ones. 126 into 3 ones is equal to 378 ones. Step 3. Multiply 126 by 6 tens. 126 into 6 tens is equal to 756 tens is equal to 7560. Step 4. Add 378 and 7560. We get 378 plus 7560 is equal to 7938. Thus 126 into 63 is equal to 7938. Verbal problem. Example 2. One book has 234 pages. How many pages will 35 books have? Solution. Number of pages in one book 234. Number of books 35. Number of pages in 35 books 234 into 35 is equal to 8190. Do these. 4. 1. Multiply. Problem solving. Two. Solve the following problems. Problem solving. Multiplication by tens and hundreds. 1. Multiplication by 10. We know that 6 into 10 is equal to 6 tens is equal to 60. 18 into 10 is equal to 18 tens is equal to 180. Let us study the following. A. Multiply 4 by 20. Method 1. 4 into 20 is equal to 4 into 2 tens is equal to 8 tens is equal to 80. Method 2. 4 into 20 is equal to 4 into 2 into 10. 20 can be written as 2 into 10 is equal to 8 into 10 is equal to 80. B. Multiply 13 by 40. Method 1. 13 into 40 is equal to 13 into 4 tens is equal to 52 tens is equal to 520. Method 2. 13 into 40 is equal to 13 into 4 into 10. 40 can be written as 4 into 10 is equal to 52 into 10 is equal to 520.
On observing the above products, we can say that to multiply a number by 20, 30, 40 and so on 90, first multiply the number by 2, 3, 4 and so on 9 and then put a 0 on the right side of the product.
2. Multiplication by 100. To multiply a number by 10, 20, 30, so on 90, we multiply the number by 1, 2, 3, so on 9 and put 1 0 on the right side of the product. Similarly, to multiply a number by 100, 200, 300, so on 900, we have to multiply the number by 1, 2, 3, so on 9 and put 2 zeros on the right side of the product. Example 1. Find 8 into 100. Solution. 8 into 1 is equal to 8. Therefore, 8 into 100 is equal to 8 hundreds. Putting 2 zeros. Example 2. Find 12 into 200. Solution. 12 into 200 is equal to 12 into 2 into 100 is equal to 24 into 100 is equal to 2400. Therefore, 12 into 200 is equal to 2400. Do these. 5. 1. Find the product. Reasoning proof. Two. Fill and drill. Reasoning proof. Fact file. The product of 0 and a number is 0. Example: 4 into 0 is equal to 0. 0 into 8 is equal to 0. 19 into 0 is equal to 0. The product of 1 and a number is the number itself. Example: 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 1 into 9 is equal to 9. 17 into 1 is equal to 17. We can multiply two numbers in any order. However, the product will be the same. Example: 6 into 3 is equal to 18. 3 into 6 is equal to 18. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 4 into 8 is equal to 32. 8 into 4 is equal to 32. We can multiply three numbers in any order. Anyhow, the product will be the same. Example: 2 into 3 into 6. We can multiply 2 into 3 into 6 in the following ways. 2 into 3 into 6 is equal to 6 into 6 is equal to 36. Or 2 into 3 into 6 is equal to 2 into 18 is equal to 36. Or 6 into 2 into 3 is equal to 12 into 3 is equal to 36. Or 6 into 2 into 3 is equal to 6 into 6 is equal to 36. Fun time. Save the rat. A rat is being chased by a cat. The products of numbers in the inner circle are given inside the rings on the outer circle. Go on joining them by drawing line. The number which is left without any match is the gate for the rat to escape.